Okay, Carrie, we're going to start, and I'm going to show you how to start the bottom of this so that you can get it created. Yarn. I'm going to just do a slip stitch. That's how I start the beginning. So I've got this on my hook. I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got my little chain of 4. Wait, where's the camera thing? The little chain of 4. So now I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to insert it in the very first chain that I made. Can you see that? Yeah. I'm going to wrap my yarn around and bring it through. So I've just slip stitched into the first chain. This is what I've got now. Okay, in the middle of this is a little circle. Can you see this little circle? In this little circle, I'm going to single crochet 5 stitches. Okay? So maybe. Okay, so into that little circle, single crochet 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it looks like a hot mess right now, but trust me, this works. The easiest way to do this is just to count back 5 stitches so you know where to slip stitch to start making your circle. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my 5th stitch is right here, the very first one I made. So I'm going to slip stitch into that, pull it through. So I'm just hooking that stuff together. I'm just making the circle. Okay, again, don't panic. It still looks like a little hot mess. This does not look like a circle in any way, shape, or form. Chain 1, because we're going to make it a little bit wider. In every single stitch that I made, all 5 of these, I'm going to put 2 single crochets in all the way around. So 1, 2. Next stitch. So I'm coming over here to the next stitch and doing 2 in there. This is not easy. Okay, next one. 2. Next one. I can't see it. 1, 2. And I don't know why my yarn is so squeaky, it just is. Alright, so I'm kind of stretching it and pulling it because it's kind of making that little tiny, like, wadded up. But look what I've got now. And pull it, it's fine, it's not going to hurt it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I started out with 5 and I'm doing 2 in each one, then I need 10 total when I get done with this. Okay, so I've got 2 single crochets all the way around here for a total of 10. I'm going to slip stitch it into the first stitch because I'm just closing that circle. So you put your hook through, grab the yarn, pull the hook through that stitch and the one that's on your hook. You should only have one stitch left on there now. So this is what I've got. Okay, so again, I'm going to chain one because I'm moving to the next row. Now, in this row, I'm going to do chain one. I'm going to single crochet in the first stitch so that there's going to be two in that, the chain that I did and the single crochet. The second stitch I'm going to do one. The third stitch I'm going to do two. The next stitch I'm going to do one. So I'm going to go 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, all the way around the circle. So I'm going to go into the same hole that I just was in. I'm going to change my hook. I don't like that one. Okay, and then do 1 in this one. I'm going to do 2 in the next one. I'm going to do 1 in the next one. This is, my camera's falling. I'm going to do, how many did I do? I did 1. So I'm going to do 2 in the next one. So I'm going to do that all the way around. When I get to the end, again, I'm going to slip stitch into this first chain one that I made here. I'll come back when I get back to here, okay?